Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will see how to run a basic React Native program. A basic React Native program. In this class, like we have the default code in this project, right? The default code. Just remove all this default code, and we will run our own code. We will run our own code. So just now I will run the npm start, and it will run the npm. Okay, it's already running. Already running. So click on A again. It will open in the Android. It will open in the Android. So it is installing the app, and just wait for until this app is installed in my mobile phone. So it's running. So it is installing in the Lava LXX503. It's my mobile phone. So it is installed. Yeah, it is installed. So how can you see it? Just open the Vizor here. Just click on the plus button here. See here, you can see it. You can see it. So here I will write my own code. Just I will remove all this thing. I will remove all this thing. And here I will write my own code. I will write my own code. So for example, so I will write import. So we are having RFC. RFC. So this is my we have installed the extension, right, at the React extension. So by installing this React extension, we can get the structure. We can get the default structure of the app. We can get the default structure of the app. But it is React Native, right? So we have just in React Native, we should not we should not use div. We should not use div. Instead of div, we will use view. Just change it to view. I have changed it into view. Yeah. So see here, whenever I wrote the view is the view is coming from the React Native, right? So automatically this view is imported. So we did not write this statement, right? But it's automatically it is written while I'm taking this view component, and we have written some. So here I will write introduction to the React Native iOS and Android development. So we have done some view here, right? So to display this content, we have to use a text component. We have to use it the text component. So here I will write text. So I'll just copy. I'll cut this thing here. I will just paste it here. I will just paste it here. So why you are getting this error? You have to import it. So here, just go to here and do quick fix here. Let it update import from React Native. So you can import it from React Native. You can see, right, text and view. It's React Native. It is taken from the React Native. So in this way, we can we can we can take from the React Native. So 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 we have written some code here, right? We have written some code here. So we will just see what happened in my screen. What happened in my screen? I will just go to the yeah. You can see here, right? Introduction to the React Native iOS and Android. You can see, right? So here you are getting the text, right? So a simple text. But if you want to give some styles, if you want to give some styles to the text, to the text, or to the entire screen, so we have to use some style sheets. We have to use some style sheets. So what we have to do, like we have to write some style sheets. So I will take some variable style, a const styles is equal to const styles is equal to. So here I am writing a variable and I will take some style sheet. So if you write style sheet like this, you'll get here style sheet. So if you press like this, it will be imported from the React Native. It will be imported from the React Native. So here you have to write, you have to go to style sheet and you have to create a method. In this method, you have to open the flower brackets. So in this, you can write your styles. You can write your styles. So I will write the container. I will write the container. So I will take a container object, and here I will open the container object, and here I will write flex one, leave tab like this, and I will write background color, I will give GFFF. So in the hexadecimal form, and I will give comma here, and I will give align item center. So we got the some text, right? The invisible text. So you just have to press tab here, then align item center will be written in your code. And after that, I will write justify content. So here you can see, right? You got the justify content, right? So you have to type justify content center. So in this way, you can write the styles. You can write the styles. So but I'll see the I'll see the but you can see, right? You can see, right? You can see. You can see, but the styles are not implemented to this project. Styles are not implemented for this project. Why? Why? So you have to include this container to the view. You have to include this container to this view. So how can you add it? So just you have to write style. You have to write style is equal to open this styles. So we have written the styles, right? So write styles dot styles dot content content, because it is an object, right? I'm going to styles and I'm going to the container. I'm going to the content container. So now we will see. Now we will see whether these styles have implemented to this text or not. Just go press Control Tab. See, now it is implemented. Now it is implemented. So in this way, we can give the styles to the text. So what we have learned in this class, we have learned a view component. So how can we give styles to the view component, and how can we create style sheet here, How can you create style sheet here? And how can you import style sheet text from the React Native? So just click on style sheet text or view from React Native. Like whenever you write this component, when you select it, automatically this text and view will be imported from the React Native. So what we have learned? We have learned view component, text component, and style sheet component. We have learned 3 components in this class. So we have just include the styles to this text, include the styles to the text. So what are the styles? Are flex one, background color, align items, and justify content. Justify content. So in this way, we can give the styles to the view text component using view component. So I hope you understand this simple program in React Native. So I hope if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And I hope you understand this background color, align items, and justify content center. Justify content center. And now I'll give here a red. Now see, you can see, right? We are having the red color. We are having the red color. We are having, see, a red color. And if you want yellow, so just see now. It will be turned into yellow. It will be turned into the yellow. See, it is now turned into the yellow color. So I hope you understand these properties. So flex one means we are using our entire screen. We are using entire screen, and background color is yellow, and we are aligning this content in the center, and items and the justify content will do all these things will be in the center. So all the text which are present that would be in the center. So I hope you understand. So why we have included the style is equal to styles dot container, because we are giving style. So that's why I'm writing style equal to where I have to give. So I have to write this like this flower brackets and styles dot container. So what styles here? Styles, right? We are getting the styles here. Styles and dot means I'm going into the container. So I hope you understand. So that's it, friends. Uh, if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.